Okay, what else we got here? Something fairly light. Kind of bracket maybe. Pedal. Piston. Empty bags. Like pistons. Yep. Says they're pistons. 3 7/16, 4 3/4 stroke, 60 over. So this would be standard 80-inch pistons. For a stroker motor. For 88-inch motor. 106/57, so semi-modern piston. Looks like you got a water line on them, so that's not the best thing you want to see in your part you buy. Not rusty, that's good. Takes buttons in there, so you know that's older. 106 number, it's probably from the early 2000s would be my guess. No date on the box. Got a USA sticker on it though. Yep, no stickum date. Oh, there's a date. Ooh, 2016. 4/11. Yeah, I didn't think they used buttons that late. Oh, they didn't use buttons that late. It just has clips in it. And you can see the clips in the wrist pin hole in there. Somebody stuck buttons in here. These are older. This crap we used back in the old days, 80s and 90s. This is new stuff. And it's got a set of Wiseco's in it. Which one is that? The stock Harley one? 5730. I think that's a stock Harley replacement. 80-inch Evo. So, probably a Wiseco piston. Got a nice high dome to it. They don't make them this way anymore. Doesn't appear to be wet. That's a good sign. Definitely all the paperwork got wet. There we go. Clearance information. What's the number? 106/57. Probably don't have that number in here. See how it works. Nope, here's 106 is down here. 57/85. 57/83. Close enough. 3.5 to 4.5. Loose, tights 2.5 to 3. I never did understand that. You got a tight number and then you got a loose number way the hell over here. What about in between? Between 3 and 3.5. You know, that kind of fudge in the middle thing for street hot rod use? They don't put that number in there. So basically for hot street you run about 3.5. But you can run this tight as 3 and be okay. Racing means full throttle, get down the track, race. So start up cold and run the piss out of it, don't let it warm up very much. Yeah, so basically you run about 3 thou on a good hot rod street bike. And go up to 3.5, you really want to get on it hard. Oh well, see what the other one looks like. This box definitely got wet. Same number. I like buying old pistons that you can't buy anywhere. What am I filming, man? Elbow? Just gotta make sure it's not rusty. The piston can have some corrosion on it because you can blast that off, but hopefully not in the critical area, like right here. See a little corrosion. Non-critical area. Critical area is right in here. A little bit of rust there, but ain't gonna hurt anything. Corrosion. This means nothing over here. The new finish is that retains oil. They used to be in the old days real smooth. They found out it works better being rough. Another set of clips, no damage. So this is the only piston even has any damage to it. 60 over again. Yeah, this one here was pretty dry. A little bit of package wear right here, but not really corroded. Yeah, these are good to go. I'd run on my bike all day long. Nothing wrong with those. Like I said, they don't make them like this. The new ones they make, the dome's only about this tall. So they're low compression. These are the old style ones, are high compression. I like these ones. Alright, there you go. Nice S&S pistons for an 18-inch stroker motor. My favorite. 4 3/4. I like 4 3/4. There you go.